Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Discover Card Rewards, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start saving with your Discover Card Rewards, begin by signing into your Discover account. Locate the rewards section on the dashboard. Here, you can view your current rewards balance and available offers. Explore the different types of rewards available to you. These may include cashback, merchandise, and travel options. Make sure to check for any promotional offers that can enhance your rewards. If you haven't already, enroll in Discover's Cashback Match program. This program doubles your cashback at the end of your first year. Next, review any rotating cashback categories. These categories often change every quarter and can boost your savings significantly. Activate any cashback categories that align with your spending habits. For example, if you frequently shop at grocery stores or gas stations, activate those categories. Utilize your Discover card for everyday purchases to maximize rewards. Track your spending to ensure you're maximizing your cashback potential. Visit the Rewards Redemption section to decide how to use your accumulated rewards. You can choose to redeem for statement credits, bank deposits, or gift cards. When ready to redeem, follow the prompts to select your preferred option. For travel rewards, consider booking through the Discover Travel portal for additional savings. Keep an eye out for exclusive offers or limited-time bonuses. Make it a habit to review your rewards and account details regularly. This will help you stay informed about your options and potential savings. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and maximize your Discover Card Rewards. Start saving today and enjoy the benefits of your rewards program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.